Here we are with a 2006 BMW 1200 GS fuel pump changing out. Got the Quantum fuel pump HFP-382. This is the original fuel pump coming out of it. You're gonna see what the new one looks like. Here's a new fuel pump. Here. Looks to be identical match here. Let's see if it fits in the sleeve here. Put it in there. Turn it. Fits right in. This is to the bottom piece where the filter attaches to it. Looks like you might have to cut this portion off. There it goes. Got the older band removed off the filter. So we'll pull this little cap off the bottom and insert the pump down in the sleeve and line up the holes. This retention come off the old pump, so we'll go and put this one back on again. Let's see. There's a little catch in here that you have to press down. The little catch needs to go down further. That's inside of it. Let's see if we can get it down. Gonna have to grab a different screwdriver. You gotta work that one-way washer down. That way it'll catch. Here. That's caught pretty good there. If you look in there, you can see the one-way washer. Yeah. Then beneath it'll go the filter, which this one is the one that the one that was on it. So we'll put this one on it. Like that. So that part's ready to go. And we'll get the old hose here and pull this old hose off and change it out with the new one. Just taking a razor blade and cutting the edge off to get it off. There it goes. This is the old hose that was on it, and this is the newly supplied one. Looks to be two different sizes. On one side is smaller than the other, so just make sure you put the right one on. It is a pretty snug fit on there, so it doesn't look like it'll come off very easily when you don't want it to. They do provide two hose clamps as well, one to go on one side and one to go on the other side. One on the pump and then one on the housing. So we'll go ahead and put those on. Get it lined up there. I had to get a socket to tighten it down. So it's a 1/4 inch nut driver. Seems to be metric rather than American. Maybe a number 6 actually. Let's give that a try. That seems to be working better. You want to be careful not to tighten it too much to break the housing. There. That one seems to be pretty snug there. So take that off. Install the other hose clamp prior to putting this one on the fuel pump here, as you won't be able to get it on without taking it fully loose. You're gonna have to wiggle them on to get them on because they're a real tight fit here. There it goes. I'm just trying to wiggle it on to get it further down in there. It's pretty good there. Actually, before I put the hose clamp on it, mount it here so that way you know your direction is right, that you want the pump prior to putting it on. You can still swivel it a little bit while it's there. And we will go. I think I got that on there wrong. Put it on the outside. You gotta line up all the rubber ears to that thing there. And then you install the last one over here. And that's hooked up there, like that. And then we'll go ahead and connect or actually put the hose clamp first. And attach that portion. Okay, well, that's attached there, and then we'll go ahead and plug it in here. This is the factory GS plug. Put it in with a Quantum fuel pump. Fits perfect. Looks like a good aftermarket fuel pump. A lot cheaper than the factory BMW one. We priced it and it was close to $500 for the fuel pump. And for that part number again, it was a HFP 382. It's a Quantum Fuel Systems. Highly recommend their kits. Seems to be good price, a good quality for the money, that's for sure. And we're gonna go ahead and get this put in and give it a shot. Thanks.